Back at more stuff. We just found another problem with the RoadRunner. Sanding down the rest of the fenders, we found this. It's at least 1/4 inch thick. And then when we took some of it off, we wound up with this. So we're not going to make Mr. Roy buy any more fenders. I'm going to fix this today. It's going to take me a little bit, but got to do it. This one's on me, Mr. Roy. Sorry. Let's get to it. All right, we got it all stripped down. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. This whole thing is just shot. Look at it. I don't know if you could see that moving. I'm going to have to cut all this off and make a whole new panel, at least here. Oh, this is going to be fun. Alright, metal needs a little more massaging and welding, but for some reason I can't find my brass attachment, so we'll grind it down some more and get all these little holes done. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. That just saved him about $800 per fender, so we're good to go. At least we saved you some money, Mr. Roy.